And so we get the BB season 7. Yes, it's 7. People in the building, the level of goons them. And yes, really, I know you get plenty questions to feel ask them. So if you begin to sending in. My name is still Smith, so they get to speak a little pidgin. So what's up?
What's up?
Are they all right? Everything they pop for here. I get plenty gist to get with you. Now, Christy, how you day? No, right. Good gist, nothing.
Okay.
Except say,
I don't get.
You do anything. This one where you bridge me.
I cannot confirm or deny that too.
Don't worry. You know if you confirm, my TV they confirm for me.
We're good, all right.
Yeah. So Christy,
I do all right. I did try adjusting to this new life.
Yeah, this new life.
Yeah.
So let me start from there. How this new life they treat you now?
Well, so many grass balls left and right.
Really?
So many insults where I don't see.
Where the insult they come? Which one touch you the most?
They say I go Big Brother house, go to furniture woman.
Yeah, that furniture woman. It can't be like say get something where you did take, where go come make you. But when you they come in, you been tell us say man drama, you they come to give us.
Yeah.
And we've been ready to wait for you.
Yes,
so but then we'll see more of you sleeping than.
Yeah. Okay. So
Yes, darling is pigeon and mix. I'm just be free in a conversation with the
So the lockdown before going into Big Brother house.
Yes.
My skin been they react to water, my face, my chest, my body, my back. So as we can't enter house, I can't follow Big Brother here and say, Big Brother, I'll see what thing they happen. They can't pull me for medication. Now why you say, you go see I dey sleep. Once they can't give me that medication for money, it go make me sleep.
Big Brother for no bring that medication.
And then they give me 2 times a day.
What?
So
now that medication bring you out though.
Naimo and a drum cause am too.
So guys, side effects of some of these medication, they go make you come outside when you don't want to come outside.
Yes, so
because I just think no, I go come to that later. So Seth, more could talk about you.
Okay.
Yes, and I've been expect so much from you too. And somehow be the thing say if Biggie be merge the two houses together, I'm not sure say you suppose don't come outside because I feel like say you get game.
Definitely.
You feel like that?
Definitely, I know. No be say I feel. I know say I get game. You get, but at the same time,
Closer to your mic.
Okay, so at the same time, right, I know say the situation no day for my hand, right? Exactly. I don't do my part. It was left for my people to do their own part, and they did their part really well. Exactly, but it is what it is, right? I wasn't surprised about the nomination because level 1 don't see me as threat for the HOH and all the tax and all those things you get. Even the level 1, level 2 matter self even shocked me as I entered the house. Because,
why shock you?
Because now I never see them say it don't happen before for Big Brother.
Now Biggie house, now Biggie feel decide.
No. The thing now for my every shot, don't be say for my mind, for everybody mind,
yes.
Right? If it be different perspective, but nobody actually reason different levels. Exactly. So that one first of all shock everybody.
Yes.
Right. But bad as it bad, right? I tell myself, say, now reality TV, right? My strategy now for me to be myself, show you the real me, but then the competitive me too, the fun me too, the cruise.
And they loving you.
And they loving me last.
And they were you too. Oh gosh, Seth, my love, somebody they greet. He says since when he left the trenches has been losing task and Seth is so intelligent and creative. I was pained he left.
Thank you very much.
These are your goons. Now I could talk about one of those things again. Now we can't understand. Say maybe you were starved before you enter inside the house.
Oh no.
Because this pin me by the wall and hold me tight thing
and choke me.
My sister.
Well, the thing now, the truth of the matter.
No, Seth, they rush me.
Okay, your blood too hot.
So at the time come and you they rush me now.
No,
so you can't be like say this like some Titanic things happening. Tell me that what be the connection between you and girl doing?
Okay, so first things first, I know say for that first HOH, I know be actually see anybody face. I don't even send anybody that particular period.
You sure?
No, now on God you get. Well, actually that first HOH. Now just say I won't just get this HOH first.
Okay.
I wait be in my head.
Okay.
Right, exactly. Now for the wager tax, the first wager tax, so I can't count down. So you might even see the level 1 faces. You
can't check them out.
I can't check them out and everything. And there's a thing that I have a soft spot for people that have
more ears.
Innocently charming faces with some side of body.
And who get this kind?
As though you can't get them now.
Wow.
Exactly. You get.
But now they try to tell me say now only doing you. you feel like this?
Actually, on that level, yes, that only doing. I don't say I be they see Daniela somehow. You get as
no mention Daniela here. Now Daniela where they be like say don't marry.
Yeah, she don't marry now. Last. So
okay, will they come there?
So, but the thing that I say, like I said, so I saw something in doing. I kind of connected with her, right? Exactly. And personally, I know they hide my.
So those kisses, they've been there real like that.
For me, yes. I don't know for how, right? I hope it was real too for how, right? But for me, definitely it was.
Doing what they see inside house.
You get exactly.
Okay.
So
Until then, now here she go sit down. Make her ask her own. Christy, baby girl, who you be the feel inside that house? This one sleep no gree you. See people clearly. I know who you be the feel, but make you tell me from your church mind.
I know they feel anybody.
Christy,
at some point, right? I was feeling Deji, but I mean it was just because of his body, right? It wasn't anything personal.
What's all this
farm service?
Farm service.
Oh, farm service.
Farm service movement. Your friend.
Yeah.
Who is going to be my friend though?
Voila.
No, Christy, talk to me,
No,
baby
farm
girl.
service really. Farm service.
Really?
Just my friend.
Which kind of friend?
I
This guy?
even said it to him that there is nothing romantic when we commot for me and you.
You know when somebody quick rush, ain't nothing really come on. I dare something they come out.
Farm service.
Yes. Yes, but all well and good. Seriously. But now, make I talk about you and make I talk about what you get with Beauty. Because I remember I don't see you talk to Beauty, more like advice or something, right? But now you don't see what happened to her.
Yes.
How you feel?
I mean, I feel bad for her after going.
You
through...
been feel like a prophet? Yes, I know why I they talk.
Psychic.
Okay.
Maybe I'm psychic.
Okay.
Because I mean, like, it was pretty obvious. Even though in the house I wasn't talking a lot, but I was observing everything. I'll tell people in that house I'm like the big sister in this house.
Okay.
Literally. Because I was seeing everything that was going on. And I remember from the first time she had a strike, I already knew it was going to happen. Yeah, because of a consistent behavior and all of that.
You feel like saying a strategy for her?
Maybe there were emotions, maybe some were strategy, maybe some was like too much, maybe some were like because of size,
or maybe because and they come to you, but because it can't be like say, okay, maybe she they feel a guy where be say no, they really feel her that okay, make it be like say they like this is Beauty and this is Groovy. I don't know, but from outside now waiting how they say. Yeah, you feel like that too?
No, I think Groovy really liked Beauty, really liked her. Maybe she liked him more than he liked her, but Groovy really liked Beauty in the house.
But what do you think about
But then he wanted to be free, like, okay, I like you, we're together, but let me just do my thing. Right, but
be free, enjoy the show, right? But this one won't just clip him down.
Exactly. She was very possessive of Groovy, and then like when we had a conversation, she also told me things that Groovy said, but we didn't see that part of Groovy. We
but
only
then
know what we know.
Based on waiting she talk.
Exactly.
All right. But okay, now make I come to you. I love watching you do on the particular night when we say Beauty begin to react. We know say alcohol be there in the mix, and I believe say if you don't do that thing before the votes close, I'm not sure say you go because so many people they attached, they love you more because you've been played that role of more like a big brother, trying to hold her down, to shield her from waiting you they see if it happen for front. Tell me why you've been react like that.
Sha, the truth now say at some point in my life I've been deal like that, right? I had impulsive anger, you get. So I know that I went through processes to get that out of me. You get. So at the same time, I'm an empath and I dey read body language. So you can't be like say I dey see the things wey fit lead to impulsive anger.
What you study for school?
Electrical engineering. Exactly. But bad as the thing I say I have a thing for deep thinking and psychology. Okay. You get. Plus my mom studied psychology at some point.
Awesome. Yeah, exactly. There's somewhere in the mix.
Yes,
You've been learned something.
So I they see body language or anything will go lead to impulsive anger. I always watch out. Now, in as much as I no go lie too, right? Even when I tell Biggie say that Beauty Groovy relationship no be like something we go last, right? But I don't even reason say it go be that fast, right? I know I be reason say maybe along the line, maybe 3 weeks, 1 month, something like that. You get that kind of thing, exactly. But at the same time too, right? Regardless of whatever situation was there,
Yes.
in as much as part of me for normally just carry munchies, they watch live Nollywood, right?
Yes.
But I mean, based on say I they see that body language really feel lead to impulsive anger,
Yes.
and if that one happen, violence feels up, and even if they disqualify her, if they blind you, they don't blind you.
Yes.
So I just guys do my own part. You get.
And you've been feel bad for waiting to happen finally,
Yes,
right?
I felt bad. I felt bad that she got disqualified. But she could do all right. I know, so I get her back last.
Yes, you do. Awesome. So now, in that in that particular household, I've been there. Oh, yeah, the level 1, level 2 thing. Tell me, which of the relationship now where they go on, where you think say actually this thing they real? You, Christy.
I don't think say anyone real.
So
Because
people just a catch
big-
cruise.
Definitely. Big Brother house will make you feel say, oh, I
Yeah,
found
tell
my
me
life
about
partner.
it. Uh-huh.
But
It be like say get something where they that house, so go make you like.
that house is very, very cold. It's like you need somebody to keep you warm all the time.
Now they give you
But
duvet.
Very
They cold
cold.
now.
Bio, they
Still they are cold.
Nah,
plus they give us duvet, abi.
even do a cold bed.
Una not
cold.
get hot tea for them. Which one
I
you
dey
say
drink
this
I
are
dey
the
drink hot tea for money, no.
How many hot tea person won't drink?
Christy?
Body warmth is different.
So the house they very cold.
Very cold.
Now why everybody they like hold me, touch me,
No.
choke me things?
For me, I know about that one. No, anything we revolve
So I
around.
waiting me. Why they spoil
No, the
her?
truth. Oh, no. Ma, I dey talk for myself because I dey talk for myself.
You sure they talk for yourself? You know, see somebody to fight because
No.
you said don't you there inside that place with
Time
you?
go. Even
Eh, now
this
see
stuff.
now they try tell you now. Say I dey talk for myself, right? Say anything where I want do now because say I dey attracted to you.
Nobody cold.
No be the code. Now why I choke myself with hoodie, I choke myself with head warmer, I choke myself with jacket, pre-code that day, and all of
Why
them.
not
true.
carry rub too? Thank you very much. All right, now we don't come out. Welcome to the big world and the big life. You
Yes.
know how we be.
Yes.
And of course, now everybody knows who you are.
Yes.
You work out for you do anyhow.
You go see
If you
anyhow,
drag
anyhow.
you anyhow. So you guys defend yourself and all that. Tell
Yes.
me, before you enter inside the big brother house, what be the plans? What be the things where you be done they do and where will they go now? We don't come out.
Before I entered into Big Brother house, I was already working on my cosmetic brand.
Awesome.
Cosmetics.
Cosmetic, you need them because
I'm wearing my lip gloss right now.
baby girl.
You know.
Get the money.
So definitely now where I
Okay.
don't get bigger platform, I'll definitely make good use of the opportunity now.
Definitely.
Shine
Yeah.
already, girl.
And then I also model. So
You
that is
do?
also
Yes,
gonna
I
go
see, I
on,
see.
Definitely for sure.
Okay.
I was also into tech. I was learning how to code. You know, tech money day. I gotta make this
Wow,
money.
a
Every
lot. Tech
angle.
bro, they see your
angle.
people here.
Yes, so I see am.
But
And-
in all these things where they mention, I don't hear any boy name. We waiting beyond the plan. God made them male and female. If you know work for house, no go work outside.
You know one funny thing where I see as I come out, they
Yes.
say I don't marry. I never marry, oh. I don't even get boyfriend, but they say I don't marry. So maybe in the future, the
But
marriage
are
where
you
they don't
open
dey see.
to?
Right now?
Yes.
I want the bag, you know,
Okay.
not the man.
Get the bag, baby. Get
Yes.
the bag. So if we could talk about you too, tech is there in the line and so
Definitely.
many other things. So tell me more.
Okay, so before I enter the house, right now,
Yes.
tech and creative agencies just did my head and everything.
Awesome.
Yeah. But in as much as I've been did those places, I've been get plans, right? So I've been get plans for fashion, right? I've been get plans for entertainment. You get, I've been get plans for real estate.
Real estate.
Exactly. So now, as I don't enter, get the BBN platform don't drop me for where I did right now, right?
Yes.
Now to use that platform, right, to build myself and also start those things. So the fashion, like urban fashion community, I know call them line because
Okay.
it's more than just wearing clothes,
Okay.
right? So it's Own Your Weird. The name is Own Your Weird.
On your word.
Exactly. So it's
I go
more
love
like
this one.
connecting to every
More
weird.
like on your craze. I like her.
Something like that. You get what I'm saying? So if everybody get that weird thing where we say people they do then see finish, but that thing
Yes.
they make them unique. So this is more about, right, you wear your clothes to your personality at the same time looking cool on it.
Yes.
You get exactly. Now at the same time, right, I got find way either manage or own my own creative advertising and marketing agency.
So many people that talk yesterday they miss you during tax and
I miss them or I they miss the tax, so I wish I fit even join them for the yesterday. Allah, I swear if they do me chuku for body.
somebody said they like Christy when she they lie down. I don't know. Is it a thing or that's something they
that
worry
person
about?
feel dey sarcastic.
I
swear.
tell you, yes. Christy, tell me who you they root for.
Fina baby.
Your Fina, they try to survive. They root for.
I'm rooting for
She go
Fina.
survive,
regardless.
Awesome.
Yeah.
I like that. And you, sir?
Well, I know not be just only one person, Sha.
Yes.
Any of these three. So Adekunle, Brian, and Fina.
Yeah, Brian too.
Brian and Fina. Yes. I don't know Adekunle. I don't see anything where they Adekunle for there.
Adekunle na slow. See that guy got slow poison.
Which
so,
slow poison?
Now me they tell you.
Make the poison shadow bring him outside.
I be bad as he bad. You
Yes,
get, so,
Seth,
but-
you're handsome. For him to leave is too soon. Okay,
so
everybody that
sorry.
send you love from different places.
Love and light. Thank you very much.
And so are you gonna wait for doing? Are you gonna move on?
No. See, the truth of the matter, I don't tell myself. Say, possibility they say doing fee even ship before the Big Brother finish. Fine and good. We
So
go still
you
be friends.
kuku know say.
No, now I be realist.
Seth, leave me alone.
Eh-heh.
And still Oga Madam show. And somebody they say love and light to Saif and Christy say miss you guys on the TV. Okay, somebody they talk about your cosmetic line, Christy wetin actually be the name of that brand?
Christy O Cosmetics.
I'm sorry, darling. Again.
Christy O Cosmetics.
Christy O Cosmetics.
Yes.
Sound sellable. Okay. Yes. So I've missed you and your vibe, Jare. Somebody said that they vex. Man, I will catch Biggie. Now, I'm going to talk about you, darling. When will we talk about your skills and different things where they do? We don't come mention drumming now. We don't go. Where would they go with that talent?
Drumming is just
Vibes.
really.
For real?
Yes.
So I don't want to talk about why you no come show us now. Because I know say you mention and of course now something where you love to do.
Yes.
So be something where we say you go do now when you don't come out also.
Mm-mm.
For real? You sure?
Yeah.
Huh,
But I mean, like, if I see opportunity to drum,
this is
why not?
Nigeria. There's opportunity
Why
for
not?
everything.
Why not? I could just drop 1 or 2 beats.
Okay.
One or
Christy
two.
O on the beat.
who be they make you vex inside our house? Who they make when you see the person like this? You go just vex, or maybe the person know they give you person be the stress.
Inside
you.
my house or
Yes.
generally?
No, inside your own house, your own level. Yeah,
Nobody to the vex me like that. for
nobody.
inside my
I know
house.
say they give trenches and island.
Yeah,
yeah,
we find that too. we find
Nah,
that
no.
too.
Yeah,
But you know the reason why.
we sabi.
House resemble.
Exactly. Don't be saying as I see the trenches and island, and I just don't say that the house, pass.
But the decoration inside fine.
Well, yeah,
oh.
the decoration inside fine.
Oh, not tell us anything. Now what they see. Now what will collapse.
And now why we manage the manage the house now? Because even though say the place they like trenches, we they see the art and we they comfortable.
Yeah.
So moving forward, and I don't mention the people who are the roots for and everything, and then to you also, sir, you also be mentioned of Mike say you they miss doing and all that. Hopefully she misses you too. Hopefully she still get you for mine. Hopefully she feels so go tell people now, please don't talk to me. My boyfriend is outside. Hopefully.
All now hope.
All now hope. But it been there real. Waiting you feel for her.
Personally, yes.
You no get girlfriend before you enter house.
No.
You no get girlfriend. Oh wow! I feel like say they feel like say you did too soon. The way one they fall in love.
No, it's not. I don't say we dey in love. I say
Okay,
I
the way
like
one
am.
they fall,
We
two
dey
they fall
connect.
inside. The way one they connect. Now I just say they too soon, too fast.
I don't know for anybody.
See Bella and Shegs. I don't understand. Una sincerely tell me, you don't see I'm like that for every other
Okay,
person.
see the thing, right? Even okay, assuming say doing and I did the same house.
Yes.
Right? And we go definitely they talk, we go they connect and
You
everything.
be the best
but,
for Big Brother
but
anytime when
then-
don't you guys go back.
but then but then I know say right I don't know personally you and I know you talk am to bad belly anybody, but
Yes.
the like say they give Bella space, make she breathe. Now waiting the Sheiks and Bella matter just they like for me. You get
Bella be like say she don't love.
and you remember put ring who doesn't know say I'm married.
And I dey
you
root
get?
for my girl.
So but that aside, that them know how they feel am. So that's why I cannot say anything about it.
We self know how they feel am for screen. Until
So,
then,
exactly.
guys, thank you so much. So you come inside the building with the roots
Thank you
for
so
owner.
much
Go out
for
there,
having
rule
us.
your word, okay?
Thank you.
Waiting be your social media handle where the people need to follow
Okay,
you.
so my Instagram handle is official_I am Saif, right? CYPH, and then Twitter is just I am Saif. I am _Saif, sorry.
Waiting be the meaning of that your name?
Saif.
Saif.
I get long story, no worry.
You know, one tell me the long story.
The long
Please
story.
cut them short for me.
You know, get how they carry cutter short.
Oh yeah, tell we get time.
Oh, okay, fine. No. So first things first, right? It been first start as photography acronym. So the creativity yields photography. I come on CYPH.
I've been talking. I'm saying this boy formed this name by
You
himself.
get exactly. You get. But then again, right? Then again, if they just start as
Creativity waiting.
yields photography. But then again, right, in as much as then I just based on photography business, as at my 400 level, you get one movie, I be movie freak. I too watch movies. So you get one movie where I watch where we say different agencies, they fight for one particular device where they name them Scythe. So the thing I say, those agencies get different idea of waiting that they see that thing. One be say they won't get them for war power. The other one won't get them because they don't want make you get them. And the third one will just want to destroy them because they feel it's too much for someone to own. So the fact that 3 different people have different perceptions about that particular thing, we just do on your own.
Yes.
That's how my life just be.
Awesome.
And that's how I embodied it.
And now this story be no one tell me.
You long now. You know long like
You know long like this. Thank you so much for this. Christy, oh darling. We appreciate you. We love you. What be your social media platform?
So my Instagram is official Christy_O. And my Twitter is I am Christy O. I they call him like Big Brother now.
Yes. You miss Big Brother's voice, right?
Sorry.
It ain't ring for your head. When are they sleeping? It do it like say Big Brother they call, right?
Christy O.
Awesome. Thank you. Say you show up inside Wazobia FM. We love you guys. We'll root for you. Go rule your world, all right?
Thank you very much.
Okay. Somebody said thank you for asking. I had to ask. You see, so many other people won't be know that name. Awesome. So Lagos, I come back to you at 1 o'clock. You get Women's Corner. The name is still housemates, and of course go on top our YouTube page and Facebook. Go make you see our chat with the BBN season 7 evictees. Thank you guys. We'll come back soon.